Hi there everybody, this is Marybeth here with the Six Figure Stamp Club, and I have some very exciting and important information to share with you today. When you become a member of the Six Figure Stamp Club, not only do you receive cash payments because this is a member-to-member program, but you also receive stamps. How would you like to receive both cash and stamps in your mailbox 6 days a week? Well, what I want to let you know is that we have 4 levels of participation. So we have something here within the Six Figure Stamp Club for everybody, okay? If you can mail a simple letter, folks, you can absolutely do this program and also have great continued success and results by doing such. Here's our red level letter right here, okay, for red level. Here is our next letter, which is our blue level letter. We also have our black letter level. And last but not least, our most exciting pearl level letter, okay? These are the 4 letters. These are the 4 levels of participation. There's something within the Six Figure Stamp Club for everyone. So my best recommendation to you is to take a close look at this and just get in where you fit in, because you can always move up and you can always upgrade at any time, okay? Not to mention, as a member of the Six Figure Stamp Club, you will have access to some of the best direct mail order buyer leads in the industry. Comes complete with an ironclad 100% delivery guarantee. I just reordered another 1,000 leads from the Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? And this is what they look like here. They come complete on peel and stick lead labels. So if you can apply a stamp and a label on an envelope, folks, you can absolutely do this. It's just all about taking action and remaining consistent. Very, very simple. So without further ado, just want to share with you some more great continued results to show you that this program works, okay? Now, I didn't know what was in this first one, so I already opened it up, but I'm going to go ahead and share with you that another new black level member just recently joined, okay? Sent me 3 books of stamps accompanied by $300. This is what you receive as a member. When you're a black level member, you are able to receive 300 payments and 3 books of stamps. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one aside. Okay, so this is the first one here. Now we have this one that came in. This was a priority envelope, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here for you and share with you what is inside. Okay, this is another black level member. Here's the letter. Here is the 300 in payments, and here's 3 books of stamps, okay? So already $600. So this is my results from the past 2 days, all right? So already I'm up by $600. And we have another one that came in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm just using my scissors here just to play it safe, because you never know how these are packaged up. So let's see what we have inside of this one. Another black level member just joined, sending me $300 in cash and 3 books of stamps, folks. So as you can see, this program is real. It works. Not only do you receive cash in the mail, but you also receive stamps in the mail. So how cool is that? That's why I love this program so much, folks. That's why so many people are gravitating to the Six Figure Stamp Club. We have another priority that just came in, so I'm going to go ahead and open her up here for you live. Okay. Folks, this is a very exciting program. Very simple. Anyone can do this. So this is a envelope here. So again, we'll just go ahead and see what's inside. I'm going to go ahead and pull her out. Wow, another black level member. Every time you get a black level enrollment, it's $300 and 3 books of stamps. So again, $300, 3 books of stamps, okay? So we'll go ahead and set this aside right here. And we have 2 more remaining, okay? Another priority envelope. So I'm going to just go ahead and open this up for you. And let's see what we have inside. A black level, another black level member. And another $300 and 3 books of stamps. How exciting, folks, okay? You can absolutely, absolutely do this. This was well over $1,000, folks, in the past 2 days alone. So down to the last one. You have any questions, go to my website, mailbox-profits.com. Connect with me, 330-787-1795, okay? Last but not least, looks like another black level member, 3 books of stamps. Here's the letter right here, and $300, folks. Okay, so as you can see, I'm a real person. This is a real program. The results are real, and anyone can do this. So go ahead, check it out below my video here, and let's get you started with the 6-Figure Stamp Club very soon. Thank you so much. This is Marybeth. I'm here to help you. We have complete step-by-step training as well. You can do this program both online or offline or both. So I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. I'm here